What's up, guys? Food Quest here with another video. Today we've stayed 2 weeks without posting again. We are sorry about that. Yeah, we are very busy people nowadays, but we are trying our best to post every week. But
we are trying. There is no but. We will be posting every week.
Yeah.
Yes.
By the way, before I forget, if you have an idea, let us know in the comment. Tutakutumia kakitu if we use it in our next video or in the video coming in future.
There is a token.
Yeah. If you have an idea, post it down on the comments. We are almost at 1,000 subscribers. Yeah, so without talking very much, today we are going to rate Kenyan snacks, as you can read from the title below.
Snacks everywhere. Everything is snacks.
Yeah, we are going to rate candies, crisps, sodas, drinks, yogurts,
forget
cookies,
the cups,
cakes, mandazis. Yeah. So without further ado, let's begin.
We'll be rating from good, better, best. So our good will be nay, then our better will be yay, then best will be good. Okay, so I hope you've understood.
Yes, so
good,
3 categories.
Yay, nay. Yes, we have 3 categories.
Because we bought lots and lots of crisps or
crisps.
Wazungu wanasemanga chips.
Potato crisps.
We have tropical heat. This is salt and vinegar. Urban bites. Party paprika. Tropical heat, cheese and onion. Crackles, perfectly salted.
And lastly, tropical lemon.
Chilli lemon.
I think we have more.
Oh, we have
barbecue, Naivas, store brand. So which ones do you reckon we start with? This barbecue, yeah?
This is from Naivas supermarket.
Store brand. It's a store brand.
Yeah, store brand.
Oh. I have not tasted that one.
Too much salt.
Spicy.
No, it has too much salt.
But it has some spices.
That's a nay for me.
Yay.
That's a nay.
Yay.
Mimi nasikia kuna chumvi mingi.
Yay.
It's spicy.
And I can't feel feel the barbecue. It's barbecue.
You can't eat without. You take many. If you eat one, you can't feel.
I'm taking many salt.
I feel it's better. Yes, it's a yay for me.
Can you feel the barbecue?
Yes, it is there.
Yeah.
From far. That's a nay for me.
On to the next brand.
Mine is here.
We have Chilli Lemon. Yes, Chilli Lemon.
This tropical heat, crisps ndio zina.
They're selling brand in Kenya. Yes, this one. From the snack factory.
They are the best, in fact. That's why they sell too much.
We don't know.
Tasty.
This is chili and lemon flavor. We said we take many.
I need to hear another bit.
For me it's a nay. No, yeah. Iko hapo katikati. We take many.
Yeah.
Okay. try.
Lemon.
Lemon and
I'm the goat.
chili and lemon. So it's katikati ni yay.
Lay.
Yeah, it's a yeah. For me.
For me, it's a good. Yes, good. Great. It's great.
It's sweet.
Great.
Crunchy. As expected. And
Best.
By the way, if we get here crepes that are not crunchy,
Nay.
No.
Below nay. Trash.
yeah, we have
Nay,
below
trash.
nay, trash. Next brand, Urban Bites. Oh,
Let's jump to the urban.
Party paprika. We launch.
Where are you
What's
falling?
wrong?
Where are you?
What's wrong?
Have you taken too much crepes? It's affecting you.
Yeah, these things. For bad day for things.
Hey,
And
this
these
one,
ones
hey,
are small. They are little.
but it has a
It has a design.
it has a big layer. It
But
has
you
a
can
big
see
It
how-
has a design.
a design.
Creativity.
Designer.
Creativity. For me, it's the creativity. You see? Have you seen? Huh? It has 2 lines. I don't know how the design is called. I just call it 2 lines.
It tastes like ketchup. That's
Good.
that's an A.
Huh?
It tastes like ketchup.
Are you sure? Are you sure what you are eating is what we are eating?
And then
Huh?
why I'm very sad
Yeah.
is you see there is nothing and you just
You just
One
taste it.
if I take like this, I'm finished for A.
There's no more. And you are
It's an A.
and you are judging with an A. Are you eating what we are eating?
But then since the video started, he's disagreeing with us. But for me, this one is a A.
Let us reach to the end of the.
This one is an
It's
A.
a A.
Hmm?
It's a A for me, an A for him, then a
Good.
goat for him.
I have 2 goats now.
But I could put it to trash, but you know, you cannot. It tastes like, for me, it tastes like ketchup more than paprika. Or what is paprika? I don't know. I guess it's
Paprika.
ketchup.
No,
Paprika.
it's just paprika. It could have been
What is it?
ketchup. It's paprika. Paprika
These
is
things are
paprika.
starting to hurt my upper.
Yeah.
Upper
Yeah.
jaw. They are sticking.
Yeah, let's finish them quick. Next.
Crackles.
Crackles.
Perfectly salted. Too much salt.
No, let's check. We see there is something.
There is something. From
But
far.
I think there are 3 inside.
Let us surprise ourselves.
One thing about these
As you can see,
Kenyan companies, they
But-
sell too much air than
But
content.
it's not
inside.
only in Kenya. I saw an
Not
episode of Food Theory. I'll show you. It
They,
was
they just sell
yesterday's
air.
episode. Yeah.
this is
It's
just
nitrogen,
this is
actually.
just snacks. This is just snacks. So
If it was real, they could have done like this.
Like homemade. They won't lie. I think we'll find a picture and post there. They won't lie. They'll burn here the paper. They'll burn over here. You know the clips is here, they'll burn over here. This one, they are sealing it over here. Just
The clips are here.
pure air.
Yeah.
I remember when we were kids, we used to buy this. Then crush them so at least they remain.
they remain
They'll remain.
so that you
Let's taste salted.
Let me dip my fingers. Aha.
Let me take many. Ray said we take many.
and you are insisting. Ray said
Yeah, you know.
we must.
You must
you
take
know
many
must
so
quote
that you
you.
hear the
the
taste.
taste because if you take one you can't hear very well. You can't feel the taste.
Taste is here. Cherry from top. This one even I don't want to take again.
This one even I won't take the second taste.
First thing, there's no salt.
It's not even perfect. Not even perfect.
There's
It's
no
not
salt.
salted.
Yeah, it's just potatoes chips with nothing.
And it's not like crunchy like the potato crisps, the tropical heat. It's not crunchy. Like.
Yeah, it's almost stale.
Mine is
The color is
trash.
white.
Trash.
Crackles are trash.
Trash.
They are not salted, yet they are advertised as salted.
Nay.
Yeah, so the next we're going to
Potato.
cheese and lemon.
onion.
Cheese and onion, not lemon. Cheese and onion. Cheese and onion. Can you just imagine the taste?
The onion,
Cheese.
the cheese, and the potato. Potato.
Oh, they said we take many. I forgot. So that you feel the taste. You bite, but I'm hurt.
You do not eat crisps. You are throwing directly to the gun.
You are not taking many. They said we take many.
This is many.
He's taking,
Okay.
This many.
he's taking many. You are the one who is taking one.
I smell blueberry.
Nail. Nail. I personally hate cheese. Nail. Nail.
Like trash. Me, I smell margarine. Or
Margarine.
Margarine, yeah.
To me, it's a nail because I don't like margarine. I hate it.
It does not taste like cheese. It tastes like margarine.
Even we're not taking the second bite.
But because of hunger.
Because of anger.
Not because I'm enjoying, because of...
Because of anger.
I personally don't want.
Don't judge us because they're these things. It has a lot of margarine.
They fried with margarine.
You're giving it negative
This is
comments. You're giving it negative comments, but
You eat because of hunger.
You are trying to find the positive one, but
Yeah,
it's
why are
impossible.
they on the shelf? We are trying to see why they are kept on the shelf.
drum roll.
The last script.
Yes, the last script. Tropical heat, salt and vinegar. One thing I've noticed with tropical heat, they change color. They change color a little bit. But even when they fall, they are still trash.
They know where they belong.
They know where they belong. So you see, this is like green, a different flavor. A darker green, a different flavor. Then blue, a different flavor. So creativity hapo kidogo. Yes. Even if they have disagreed with the packaging, I insist. I want to know what I'm buying.
No, we have not.
I want to know what
We
I'm
haven't
buying.
yet.
But this one looks more attractive.
Attractive.
It's okay. It will attract you when you eat.
Imagine how
purely
many people have
nitrogen.
seen the food you are going to eat.
Purely
People
nitrogen.
they know what they are doing.
Stop having African beliefs.
No.
One of my colleagues said we take men.
We take many. Should I take many this time? Let me take little.
Just a little bit.
I don't want the camera to see how I'm going to finish this in one bite.
I think I've forgotten the taste. Let me have some.
They said we take many. If you take many,
You won't forget.
but it has some weird aftertaste.
vinegar. Salted vinegar.
I think with the vinegar, it has some weird aftertaste.
To me, just an A. It's
And
just
like-
there. You know,
Yeah.
you're just eating because you are eating salt.
Because it is a snack.
Yeah, because of the saltiness too.
For me also it's an A.
For the first time, you've come to an agreement. It's an A.
By the way,
Nay.
is there any snack that I've rated over an A? No, I've not
No.
found about any. Anyway,
I think you have problem with the taste gland. After this, we'll have to do a contribution. Mr. AJ needs to see a doctor.
no, the only contribution I want is subscribe. Kindly subscribe. Help us reach 1,000 subscribers.
Yeah. And you must change
On
the taste
to-
buds. We are changing to another thing now.
Yeah, let's do the drinks. We need to wash down those nasty,
trash and names.
yeah, those negative
Correct.
energy. Let's take this.
Lemonade.
Most of you kind of recognize it. It's very common.
Safari.
Very premium. Hey,
The gas.
it's carbonated.
Preserving. Don't mind the cups.
They are deep.
It's good when they
It's not good. You are drinking something many, but it's small. No. It doesn't taste like regular lemonade,
It's
But
carbonated, man.
even if.
You expect it to taste like juice. It's
It's made
carbonated.
of lime. Let me say what I feel because I've never taken lemonade. I've never.
We took lemonade,
Where?
Joey's.
It was a long day. No.
2 years ago.
It was a lie. That is a lie. That was our first video. Go and check it. It is there.
I don't think if it exists,
It is there. Go and check our first video. If you find it,
you'll see us drinking lemon. It doesn't taste like regular. The lemonade, it's there, but it's not there. You get, as in,
Excellent. It's there, but it's not there. What's that?
iko lakini
Haiko.
si ile ya kawaida.
Haiko lakini haiko.
You feel maybe the smell, not the taste. It's a
For me, it's a yes.
because it does not taste like regular lemon. True.
It's carbonated for a fact. It can't taste
Forget
like
the
regular-
carbonation. The taste.
It can't taste like regular. It has gas, man.
Let me take me.
yeah. As they continue to argue their decision, mine it's a yeah.
Yeah, we all agreed it's a
Yeah.
but my argument
Is the lemonade.
does not taste like the
But
You are
the
trying to
problem
find
with
the
you,
lemonade.
you arguing with a negative perspective, then your eating shows another perspective.
you know eating is different because you know when you are hungry utakula chochote. Yeah, I'm hungry, so that's why I'm eating a lot.
It's okay.
Lemonade.
I never eat in videos. I don't eat a lot in videos. This guy,
You
It's
see
my
now
day
it's
to
lying.
shine.
You see now it's lying.
it's my day to shine. Let's take this energy drink.
Predator.
It is everywhere in Kenya. Now we are looking. We want to find if it's a true predator or it's just
The name,
Predator.
the name.
the market.
And the predator can feed on the goat. Now let's see.
The predator
Yeah.
will eat the goat.
We'll eat the goat. Now let us see if it's possible.
It smells like Red Bull.
It's an energy drink.
Well,
Why does it have to smell like Red Bull?
you are pouring for yourself.
Serve me, and you serve men.
Go home.
Short.
Go home.
Nay. For me, it has not reached the standard
of an energy.
of an energy drink.
For
And
me,
I have
it
a
has,
question.
I think it's Red Bull, but Red Bull cheap. It tastes like,
Affordable.
yeah,
Affordable.
yeah, it has
For common
quality.
mwananchi.
Yeah, it tastes like Red Bull, but it's not Red Bull. You know, it's yeah.
Yay. To me, it's a yay. It's a
Give me
predator.
some name.
Nay.
But
Yay.
it's almost Red Bull ripoff. It's exactly like Red Bull, but not Red Bull.
Nay.
Too much
And
gas.
that carbon is making us
It's just too much carbon.
I told you I don't eat a lot. You see, we are
We are now
almost
chilling.
3 minutes in the video, and I'm feeling we should leave it there. The next
We are
catch
not
us in
leaving.
the next episode.
We are not leaving.
We have another energy drink.
This one is called
It's
energy.
called Energy Make It Happen.
It's just energy itself.
This is the energy. This is the ingredient in the energy drink.
The color is appealing.
We don't know the color. It's just the bottle of the
The
color.
bottle is red.
The bottle
it's
of
the bottle,
The color of
yes.
the color.
The color of the
What am I
bottle.
saying?
This the predator. Now you're becoming an animal.
The predator doing its thing. It has a slightly smaller bottle, 265 ml.
The one
It's
available.
odd. It is odd. The
But
amount.
it can make it happen. You can make it happen.
Let's see if we have some slight energy.
It's just white in color.
Let's see if
No,
we make it
it-
happen.
It looks like predator.
Poor for me.
No, COVID-19.
That's not good.
Ah,
19.
COVID-19. So this one. There's this blue one. Azam. We didn't get it. We were looking for it, but we didn't find it. It's just that Azam, but in a smaller bottle.
Nay.
Nay.
Nothing to say about it. Almost trash.
And it has a lot of sugar.
There's only sugar, water and sugar. Nothing much to say.
But to these companies, we are not saying in a bad way. If you want to sponsor us, we
We are here.
are kindly.
We will
Yeah.
we will review.
But it's
But it's true. We are speaking what
Nay.
is here.
Almost trash.
Yes. Now for
Another
now,
thing.
we're gonna dig into the Disney. Just ground nuts.
The protein category.
Yeah, let's see.
And there is this.
Protein category.
Protein category. So here we have groundnut. This one I
Fresh
call
and crunch. Coated
Yeah.
peanuts.
Coated peanuts.
coated peanuts. Yes, this one is
Super.
fried peanuts. So coated peanuts, fried peanuts, Simpsons.
Let's dig in.
Let's start with the
Regular. Fried.
fried peanut.
This one was mine, by the way.
Your idea.
Out of
No,
the
open.
We are sorry. There are accidents everywhere.
Let's avoid accidents.
Yes.
Be safe.
Pour me a little.
A thing with me, I don't eat groundnut with the skin.
Yeah? This is the what
You
you
lose
are.
taste.
This is what
You lose
you
taste.
must be eating.
No, it's the way I was brought up.
Groundnut is just groundnuts. I prefer homemade. So it's just a yay. Because it doesn't have a very big difference. Yeah, or what do you say? According to you two busy chewing guys.
Yeah.
Groundnut
For
is
me,
just-
it's that. It's just groundnuts.
Yeah, it's just groundnuts.
I thought it would be different because they are fried.
This one will give us the difference because it's a groundnut but coated with what?
Just coated.
Just coated. You don't know what it's coated with something. It looks very, as you can see.
Appealing.
As you can see.
Appealing. Hey.
It can launch out.
It's nearly you just do
It's tight.
If it's homemade, you just do like this. And you are already inside. Very, very much appealing, as you can see.
Let me take small because I'm being full.
You're being a fool.
Naanza kushiba. This sound.
For me, the difference is the same.
It has a slight, it's a yeah, but slightly over the fried ones. Slight. But then the same.
Umesema kulani ngozi.
Sasa this one
Mbona ndio dada?
wamenifichia.
Wametoa kote.
They coated their yay,
Yes.
but slightly higher than the fried ones to me.
Yes. Above the fried one.
But
it's a
Never taken groundnut that have chili. It's very spicy. Something new, yay.
we have Simpsons.
It's called Sim. As you can see, what do we call these things?
Something seeds.
Some seeds, some small seed with some. I've seen others have groundnuts.
Yours does not have
She has only a piece.
sesame.
open sesame.
It's kinda sour. It has a sour taste, which I'm not a fan of. It's a nay for me.
Trash.
It is sticky.
You need some water.
I need some water. Please help me some
Thank you.
water.
It is sweet. Like bambucha.
I think
I love
I have a
Sim.
problem.
This one is the problem now. My problems, I leave them to you.
You have a problem.
But these people, they don't know Sim. They have not been eating this thing. This thing is very sweet.
It has some sour taste. And curly.
What's
Then
this?
it sticks in your teeth. And
To me, it's a yay.
let me watch you this energy. To me, it's an A.
So yay, and we continue egging in.
Let's
Our
go.
next step is
Biscuits.
to deal with these mandazi things because our stomach will reach a point.
We can't eat
It
something
won't be.
heavy.
Yeah.
This man does, they are store brands.
Now we are going to eat. How many?
Many. That's enough.
You get choked.
You want me to pour?
For
me.
The last video we did, these two things we ate, what was their name?
The mayai.
Avishete, looks like avishete.
Yeah.
Hey, they are tough. to say the truth. Leather.
We would have started with this one. Now you see, they are just small mandazis.
But they are tough.
Mandazi in English?
Mandazi.
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 Not in singular. Mandazi in English and us. But anyway,
It is life.
Saye.
For me, it's a yay.
Same.
Original taste. Originality. Yeah.
Mandazi is just mandazi. So yeah.
And of late we've not found goats.
They have 2 goats.
Yeah, I have no goat.
You'll have to kill one.
No, if I can't find, I can't find.
Open the cake. If you don't find it here, then you must leave us.
You're not sure the taste. You don't know how it tastes.
Looks appealing.
Look at these cupcakes. They are also store brands. You are still eating mandazi. Props to the chef. They are very spongy and my first goat. It's a goat for me.
To me, all of this week, I've just been having a craving of cakes. Everywhere I see cake, just buying it. Everywhere I see cake, buying it. Now, here it is. What do you expect? Good.
You will give it a good. Since they have said good, mine is a yeah. Mine is a yeah.
But would have given it good.
Yeah.
So you are judging because of us?
No. It's just here.
I think we shall go to the yogurt. For
Therefore, we've bought local brands only.
we have chocolate with chips. I'm waiting for these chips.
Chips?
Chocolate and
But not the potato
Chocolate
chips.
chips.
this one is
No,
called
don't.
caramel. Those were caramel. Where have we tasted it? In the
Java.
Java, yes.
Mango.
Mango.
Lemon biscuit.
Let's start with the mango. That one is the one I'm anxious. Are we putting here?
No, we are
We
using
just
our
use
scoop.
spoons. Our scoop.
Yeah.
Oh.
We are scooping.
Shake well.
Shake before you use. Not after. And they are shaking hard.
Like the cocktail. Like the cocktail.
The color itself.
Yellow or cream. What do you
Yeah.
call it?
Cream yellow.
Cream yellow.
This color.
Remove this paper all of it. For enough space.
Okay, let me scoop mine.
You are not scooping, man.
You know the mango.
Just
I'm
the
waiting
mango.
to taste. So we taste all of us.
Here we go.
It's trash.
Nay.
Trash.
Nay.
Nay.
Trash.
Hey, mango.
I'm not. It tastes like
Huh?
plain yogurt.
Yes, just like yogurt itself. Yeah.
Plain, yeah. No flavor.
Maziwa mala.
Next, you know they're saying the biscuits. Can't say any biscuits.
No biscuit.
It's a flavor, but
They any flavor,
we are.
biscuit flavor.
Biscuit is just
it's
made
a
of-
flavor.
Like saying cake flavor. What is that?
What is that? What are you talking about? What? We are
Wait
waiting
first. I have a massive DD.
You have a spoon which has a depression.
Strategy.
Okay, let's go.
Good.
Wait before you say go to I've never heard of a flavor called biscuit flavor.
To me,
It's a yeah.
nay. Nothing sweet there. Huh? There's nothing sweet there. Just a lie. They are joking with us. Biscuit.
Good.
Biscuit what?
You know biscuits, there are vanilla flavored biscuits, strawberry flavored. There's no, like saying bread flavor. What is that? Anyway, for me it's a yay.
My question is that you're not feeling the biscuit taste.
We can feel the
And the lemon taste.
I'm telling you.
And the lemon taste you also feel.
Now we are
But
telling
hapo
you.
wametudanganya.
Now we are telling you that's the worst taste we have ever tasted.
Speak for yourself.
I've already
We are
spoken.
telling you.
Case closed.
For him it's a yay.
Let's do fresher again. Caramel flavor.
Fresher in Kenya means just fresh.
Yes, just fresh.
It's in English. Yeah, at the end. It's a bit runny.
What flavor is this?
Caramel. The flavor is there. So yeah.
Yes, we are going somewhere. We are moving now.
Yeah, yes. This is better than the lemon biscuits.
Yeah.
The lemon biscuit was the worst.
This argument cannot be over until it's over.
And
This
it's
one is
not.
a goat. This one is a
It's
goat.
okay.
It's
It's
you.
okay.
It's
It's
a
your
goat.
goat. For me, this is it could be a goat, but it's in the yay, upper yay.
10 years and 9 not 8 years.
8 yay.
Small goat.
Small goat.
Launch.
Launch the chocolate,
the
the
launch.
last yogurt.
Chocolate
Where
chip.
is the other chocolate? The other yogurt made of strawberry. I learned.
Strawberry yogurt.
Come on.
Now this one.
Come on, man.
This one we must fear. It looks
must
some.
fear.
You must. The
That's
chips is
chocolate.
here.
You've seen the chips.
This black spots. I don't know what.
Yeah, they are chocolate chips.
Yeah, it's chocolate chips.
Yeah.
There is the chocolate chips there.
I feel the chocolate. But the thing I hate about this, the chocolate is dark chocolate, not sweetened. So if it remains in your mouth, and then you chew, nile chocolate card, but it's a goat. Next thing we're going to check out. This chef does things.
And I'm telling you, my friend, as we walking, my friends there outside watching, don't play with snacks. These things can make you full.
Slash bish.
Back to the crunchy side of the mouth.
Yeah.
Potatoes.
Crunchy side of things.
Yeah.
Just potatoes, I guess so. Yes, with different design other than scripts.
This one is corn.
This one is
Corn. Corn snacks.
oh!
It was a success.
It was a success.
See, they have launched on the menu.
That's the purpose of launch.
Aye,
Give
aye,
it a
Champagne.
How are they made?
give it a pop. So me don't know what's this baby.
This one, even now, we are not taking many. See how?
Trash. 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 What's that?
We are not sure what it is.
Trash.
They put it for us, the ingredients.
I've been nibbled.
That's the company.
It has no other name.
The ingredients.
Trash.
Crunchy, multigrain, wavy chips flavored with smooth nacho cheese.
I hate
Buzz.
cheese. Trash.
Now I know what we are. They are like this morning cereals.
Yes, yeah, exactly. That's the taste that it's in.
Like cornflakes.
Yes, exactly.
But they are flavored with something.
They need milk.
Milk.
What's your rate?
Hey.
Nay, you.
Yeah. Yes.
Say trash.
Trash.
Let me launch the
Childa.
childa. If you live in Kenya, you know this. Kenyan childa.
It has even groundnuts inside.
Yeah, it's a mix. This one
I think the slogan has changed. It's not taking many.
we're taking small because we are full. Yeah. Sorry for me. Yeah, and then the nini is sticking. It has chili. You can feel the tropical heat.
Good.
Yeah.
Love chapda.
It's a yeah for me.
I love chapda very much.
Yeah.
Launch another very still snacking on chapda.
Why you launch this one?
This one is called
Corn.
Sticks. Urban. From the Urban Bite. Urban Sticks.
What
The
is
same
it?
thing.
What is it?
It's made of corn. As you can see, you can hear my brother is saying crunchy corn snacks. Now let's see the tastes.
Full of there.
Full of there. As you can see them there inside.
Minimal.
Check what you can.
I hate these things. Kumbe there are these ones. I've just seen.
And there are these ones.
You know
What's the flavor?
I hate these things.
Actually. He hates them. Look at what he's taking.
No, it's fate that has decided.
No, it's choice, man.
I think I love these things. A goat with no more thinking. Just a goat.
Yeah.
A goat.
Never buy these things. That's the last time I'm eating things.
I guess you know what it means. Good.
Very sweet.
Man, good.
Let's take another one so that I forget.
Even as we don't want to forget the taste.
So, we love that one. Hey, these ones have local name.
Then?
Gantia, or it's India. Gantia
Sure.
bites. Personally, they look nothing, they look just close to nail.
Don't judge the book by its cover.
Guys, this one I'm gonna judge. Hey, this one I'm gonna judge. Why lie?
The reason why they hide the product.
Yeah, it won't bite. Hey, this is now tough. Good exercise for teeth. Very tough. As I said, nay.
Yeah,
Nay.
you are rating twice.
Nay.
Nay square.
Yes.
Nay.
Next category. Biscuits. We are not sure if these are biscuits. Cakes, no. These ones are the same. We have ginger classics. And you know, manji digestive. They say they are the real digestive. Let's start with this ginger classics. No, see, I'm eating. I feel the ginger.
I almost.
I think they mean what they say, or they mean what they call it. Ginger biscuits.
The ginger is really kicky.
Yay.
Yeah,
always goat.
You have many goats.
Yes, I'm a fan.
When it comes,
I think our 1,000 subscribers will have to take one of your goats.
Yes, because I love farming. I love goats.
Ray will give
But-
the 1,000 subscribers some goats. Not something, a goat. And you said it here on camera.
Greatest of all time.
This is cake. We didn't know. We thought it was biscuits.
Because of the packaging, as you can see.
And it was at the
Don't
store, it was kept near the
Biscuit
biscuit.
But it's our eyes. Let us not blame the packages because they are written very clearly.
Cakes now.
You could not.
Hey. The orange, yeah.
It's a good for me. The flavors are there, the chocolate and orange. It's enough blending vizuri sana.
For the first time, goat with Alvin.
Actually, yay. Ray, yay.
Let's
No,
take
it's
this.
too. It has a lot of sugar.
What's better than sugar in snacks?
Huh?
What's better than sugar in snacks?
Because there's a disease called sugar rush.
If you want bitter foods, just go eat mboga za kienyeji.
Yeah, go and eat mboga. And you can watch our Kenyaji challenge, eating Kenyaji foods. It's in one of on our videos.
I don't know the difference between cookies and biscuits, by the way. I think it's more of the design.
Yeah, it's a design thing.
Because the difference is almost the same.
And we are
coming to biscuits. I'm not a very big fan because of the previous complaints. The sugar. Too much sugar. So biscuit is not always my favorite snacks.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, and I have sugar rush.
You've given it a yay or nay.
Yeah. And I'm not feeling well.
Yeah, just you.
House of Munch. This
For
What's
me,
your
I just give it
without even tasting.
I'm not a fan of biscuits because of the sugar. You know the sugar, I don't like too much sugar.
You know, I think I'll eat on your behalf.
Eat and judge.
it's a yay.
Why lie? This one is a goat, man. A full one. A full goat, man.
It's a yay for me. To the meat commission.
Meat.
Beef meat and no, is it pork or beef?
This one is beef.
Beef.
And this is chicken.
This one is chicken. You see, it's white, like just chicken, white meat.
Let's go.
This one looks like raw meat, buana. Hey! Is it even edible?
It is edible. Try and you'll regret your decision.
What decision? I'll never regret.
Is it even edible? I don't know the way they are removing it here, but we'll have to follow the procedure.
Yeah, we can take me.
It's just beef sausage.
Yeah, this one's a goat for me. Goat.
Even for me, it's a goat.
It's a yay.
Swahili.
Are you sure we are gonna do this?
Stop smelling the food directly.
How do you want me to smell it indirectly?
Like in science lab.
Are you sure?
You know, it's edible. Are you there?
No, this thing you have to cook. I can't do this. We have to cook. Or how is it prepared?
This guy is just out of love.
Ray, do it fast. Do it fast.
You know,
No, do it fast.
You
Don't
see?
talk. Don't talk.
I told you guys not to smell. No, that was the problem.
You see, let's see if it's edible.
You will die. You know we don't eat white meat raw. It's a nay. For me.
I personally love meat, but nay.
This one is more correct. Thank you. For me, it's a nay.
Don't talk anything, okay? It's a yay. I was waiting for your reaction.
Raw meat.
This is not raw meat.
Let's finish this, then we.
Alpen.
What is
Alpen?
fruit alpen?
What's alpen? Fruit and nut. What's that flavor? Strawberry, I guess.
Now what is this? Strawberry and yogurt.
Aye. Worst combination ever. Fruit and nut. I'm full.
Let me remove half of it.
Strawberry look like this chicken thing that you've eaten right now.
You know the problem with this guy is that he's already full now. He's seeing everything like not now, not food, because you're already full. You'll be the first one to taste this one. This one is strawberry and yogurt.
Hey, that's ice cream. Chocolate.
Give me that.
Take it slow.
The way this man is giving me faces, then just have a small time.
Hey! What's wrong?
Does not smell disgusting.
Trash.
Now that's trash, by the way. But if you are a child, you will enjoy.
Nay.
Trash.
This is the first snack.
It has
This is the
bees.
second.
This one is a bit edible because we cannot feel the taste.
Aye. Trash.
That's a name.
Trash box.
You know box. You never eaten box.
Tastes like Peppino's pizza.
Eating dry Weetabix.
I guess this is gum. Let's do this.
Last.
Let's do this last. Try the Oreo chocolate.
Abba will be last.
Wow.
For tasting only.
Mommy, it's over.
It has something inside. This
Oreo.
Oreo, that Oreo something.
Oreo biscuit.
It's flavor inside. The biscuit.
Now that is the big mistake. The chocolate itself is sweet.
Until you can't feel the Oreo. Can't notice any difference.
It's a goat.
It's a goat. Not even a goat, a cow.
It's a yeah. The amount of sugar I've consumed today.
Too much.
We'll need
You need to see a doctor.
Let's finish with the gum. We have 4 flavors.
So,
Too much sugar is not
I
good
mean
for
to
your
this game.
health.
So how will we do it? Like, have some. All I have to say, since we can't remove just one gum, and have some few bites, then remove. This one to share it equally. Everyone to go with one home and will give us the feedback in the next video. Everyone will give us their feedback in the next video.
Yo, so subscribe if you want to see how the gums taste. In the next video, we'll be telling you the taste of the gum. Anyway, that's been all. Go and check out the snacks yourself. We have eaten we are full to the brim. But anyway, that has been it. Thank you for watching until this moment. I know this is a very long video.
Let's meet in the next video. I have a good thing to say about this thing.
And please subscribe. Even
and don't forget to hit it.
I have a bad thing to say about this. I will let you know in the next video. So make sure you are subscribed and help us reach 1,000 subscribers. We almost like 32 at the time of recording. 32. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. Catch you guys in the next video.
Please